Hi folks, it's Viv and I am in my friend's garden. I'd like to introduce you to Deb. Yay! Hi Deb. We have been working and been friends together for many, many years, and she's an incredible chef, an incredible gardener, and she's going to give us a tour of her garden, and then we're going to go in and rustle up some yummy food. Deb's going to make chilled tomatillo soup and grilled pepper and eggplant sandwiches. But first, we'll go pick those veggies from her wonderful raised gardens. Where are you? There you
Vivian! What's an Italian garden without
Peppers.
and zucchini?
Zucchini.
All right, so I do have one that I've saved for us today.
Oh, nice.
We're going to slice this and we're going to have this with our peppers and eggplant.
Okay, so where are the eggplants?
These are globe ones, and you can actually see why they call it that. They're round.
Those are beautiful. What kind of peppers are these?
Well, these are banana peppers. So I have about 5 or 6 banana peppers. You can't have too many. So I'm going to pick some Anaheim, poblano. They're good for you.
They are.
Well, peppers have capsaicin.
So capsaicin is good for you. It's actually good for your heart because capsaicin is a substance that can help with inflammation. And if you have a lot of inflammation in your vessels, that can lead to plaque buildup. So peppers are really good for you, and apparently the hotter the better.
That's a good excuse to eat lots of peppers. I just love them.
Where are you now?
I'm in the cucumber patch. I'm going to make you a special gazpacho. These are tomatillos, and they almost look like little apples, right? So I'm going to show you. You peel them like this, and we will use this today with our cucumbers, and we're going to make a wonderful cold soup today using a number of tomatillos,
Yum.
cucumbers, and whatever herbs we find out here today. Basil. Grab a couple little pieces of the cilantro.
Is that mint? It's gorgeous.
Yes, it's a perennial. It smells so good.
Oregano.
Yes.
I love how you just chop at it. You don't have to be delicate. Just cut it away.
Oh, nature's wonderful. It'll eat today. So I want to start, we're going to make 2 things for lunch. We're going to use our cucumbers that we just picked. We're going to use these beautiful tomatillas and a batch of herbs, and I'm going to make us a little cold soup.
So now Deb chops up the veggies, plops them in a blender, adds olive oil.
1, 2, 3, 4. Doesn't that look right?
That's perfect. A little of this, a little of that.
Now,
Apple cider vinegar.
1, 2, 3, 4. That looks right.
Then the herbs, salt and pepper.
There we go. That's good enough.
And blend.
Hang on. Looking good, huh?
Now time to slice the eggplant.
We are going to cut these a little thick.
And now comes some salt that she'll wipe off before grilling.
But this helps extract the moisture.
We're going to leave out the zucchini just because, so now on to the peppers.
I might grab some of these off so they don't burn. Keep it simple. We're going to go like this. Woo!
Now it's time to head out to the grill.
Yum! I found an extra pepper, so I'm throwing that
good,
too.
good.
You know why?
Why?
You can never have too many peppers. I'm telling you. All right, so the grill's exactly where we want. It's just about 500 degrees. We're going to go ahead and put the eggplant on.
This looks great.
So I have my trusty tools.
And because Deb is such a wonderful hostess and I'm a wonderful guest, I'm enjoying the table as she works hard behind me.
Are you ready to eat, Viv?
Oh yeah.
All right. This is our lunch. We're going to build a sandwich from this, and
It looks amazing.
All right.
Thank you for working so hard.
My pleasure. You know, what's good food without friends? My great Aunt Mary, so my family, my mother's side is from Sicily, and my great Aunt Mary always told me, you will always be rich as long as you can feed your friends. So, you know, today I'm very rich. Thank you.
Thank you.
So we have some eggplant, some peppers, and I'm going to take a couple of pieces of fresh mozzarella, and that, my friend,
Is a sandwich.
That's an eggplant pepper sandwich.
Delicious. Ready? Cheers. Bon appetit. A delicious meal made from the gifts of a late summer garden.
Tasty too. My God, I love that.